Hello and welcome to my presentation. My name is Otubu and I'll be presenting my final exam project for BUS115 business applications. My title for this project is Family Monthly Budget Planner. This is done for myself and my family. We have chosen to do this project because we've been looking for a way to have a streamlined budget and planning for the family. So I sat down with my wife and the children and we put together the data and we generated all the ideas we needed, taking into account some of the things we need to be able to view very conveniently. Looking at this is the dashboard of my presentation. My wife specifically wanted to be able to know what items in the pantry need replacement and by how much. So I captured that in this dashboard to make it easy for her to see things at a glance. For instance, in the category of food items, you can take a click at any item. For instance, crayfish, and it will show you the item that how much was purchased and how much was left, and if anything is left. And notice for crayfish, it has a value of -3, which means it's gone beyond what we are supposed to see. So if you change that figure to 7, automatically there's a formula that shows you that you have 5 modules of crayfish remaining. So back to the dashboard. She wanted to be able to have this knowledge so that she can do her purchases, and I've done that for several other items. Like if you come down to utility and subscriptions here, pick any item like electricity, drinking water, for instance. You'll be able to see the date it was last subscribed to and the due date for renewal. Same thing goes for our entertainment. We check out the digital TV, subscriber, cable TV. So here we can see that we have a subscription for DSTV on the 2nd of December and it's due for renewal on the 2nd of January. So at a glance, we'll just be able to look at some of these items and know how to replace them. So that's basically everything about our workbook. Let's show you the rest of the workbook. Come along. Here is the summary page where you can see at a glance total income generated in a month by the family through various sources and the total expenses made. Here is the table and you can see the data from all the categories that sum up to the total expenses. This is used, a function is used here to sum up this. If you click on it, you can see the function that is used, and also if you come over to the net to show the difference in total income and expenses, you'll be able to see the formula also used here. And for the formula to be able to sum the total of all this, we have a formula that captures the data and reference this cell here. If you look at the top here, you can see the formula there. Alright, so moving fast, we have this budget summary sheet chart that you can see shows you the total of income, expenses and net profit, as well as categories for expenses, and everything is well able to very visible. So the pivot tables and charts are here, and this was generated using pivot table. You can see the table and you can see the chart. So these are advanced Excel functions that help to achieve this, and it has that for several categories. At a glance, the data is readily available for any user to see, but this is customized for my family and we just went ahead to do exactly what will work for us. Alright, so let me take you through the rest of the items. This is the table for the food items category. And this is for grocery, this is for fruits and vegetables, it's for savings and investments, it's for education, this is for medical and healthcare, it's for transport, it's for housing and utility, it's for entertainment, and of course miscellaneous, which includes things like our tithing, fast offering, debt. And because we have a pet in the house, we've made provision for food, veterinary expenses, and grooming. And if we ever have a need to add any other item, there's room for it. Alright, so this is the final page that came with the project template, and we are not supposed to do anything on this page. So thank you so much for watching this presentation. Bye bye.